In basic mathematics, there is one very important mathematical concept. It is indices. Okay? Indices mean it is plural form of index. Okay? Singular form is index and plural form is indices. It is same thing. Okay? Only for singular index and many indices. We should know this rule of indices all. See now here, one more rule I am telling you, indices rule. First, what is meant by indices here? Suppose x into x into x into x. If we have to write this many times, then instead of writing x into x into x this way many times, we are writing simply this way, x raised to how much time? 4. Okay? This way there comes first rule. First rule is that if there is multiplication, if there is multiplication and if base is same, base means that downside number, the downside variable or number, this is called as base, and upside number is called as index. Okay, if base is same, then we should do addition of the indices. Okay, now see here, suppose x square into x cube, x square into x cube, what should be answer? X raised to 2 plus 3, answer coming 5. See here, 2 plus 3, answer coming 5 this way. Okay, if there is multiplication, if there is multiplication of two terms, then we should do addition of the indices when if the base is same. Suppose now here is a cube and here is b square, then we should not do addition of this. Simply answer will be a cube b square. This much will be answer. You should not do addition of this or subtraction of this. Should not do. Okay? If base is same, then only do. Suppose this way, a cube into a square. This way, then you can write answer as a raised to 5. See here. If base is same, then only you can do. Suppose this way example there is x square y cube into x5 y6. Then we can do answer this way, x raised to, see here, same variable, same base, we can do addition of this, say 1 and y raised to 9. This way you can do. Therefore, first rule is that in short, they are writing this way, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. The meaning of this that in word, if there is multiplication of two terms and if base is same, then we should do addition of the indices. This is first rule. Okay? Same rule is that if here is division, no, simple thing, you should do subtraction of the indices. Simple thing that, see here. If there is division sign or if there is division of two terms and base is same, then only everywhere you should say consider that base is same, then only this rule is applicable. Okay? If base same, then we should do subtraction of the indices. Means here, a raised to 11 divided by a raised to 5. Now what answer coming? A raised to 11 minus 5, answer coming a raised to 6. This way answer coming. Okay? Now both rules, see here, if base is same, there is multiplication, you should do addition of the indices. If division, you should do subtraction of indices. But suppose example go this way, x raised to 11 divided by x raised to minus 5. See now here, x raised to 11 divided by x raised to minus 5. What is the rule that? If there is division, we should do subtraction of the indices. But now see here, 11 minus, this minus is for while doing subtraction, and now again there is 5 already minus, this way. See here, x raised to 11 minus, this minus not this minus is for subtracting the indices, this minus, and this already minus. Therefore answer coming x 11. We know by sign rule, by while removing the bracket, minus into minus become plus 5. Then answer coming x raised to 16. This will be answer. Okay, by mistake don't write directly x raised to 6. It's wrong. X raised to 11 minus again minus 5. This way we should write answer. Therefore remember this thing carefully, that If there is multiplication, then do addition, and if there is division, do subtraction of the indices. Okay, this way. See, in short, we can write a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, and a raised to m divided by a raised to n becomes a raised to m minus n. Sometime this n may be already minus, this m also may be already minus. Then you should add this by sign rule. Okay. Third rule now, see here. Third rule, see. A raised to m raised to n, again this way. Indices, again indices. Answer will be a raised to m into n. Okay. For example, a raised to 2, again cube. Okay. It will be a raised to 6. 3 to the 6. Don't make cube of 2. Don't write 8 answer. Answer will be 2, 3 the 6. You should do multiplication of this. How? See now here. A cube. What will answer then? A square multiplied by a square multiplied by a square. See now. This much a square, that cube. It is cube of a square. Means a square 3 times. A square into a square, a square. Now by rule that, we know that. If there is multiplication, we should do addition of indices. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 coming. This way answer coming. Therefore, we are doing multiplication of this way. See, a raised to m into n. Answer becomes a multiplied by n. Double index. Suppose x square raised to 5. Answer coming x raised to 10 coming. Okay. This way. Don't make 5 of 2 means we should not write here 32. Answer should be what? 5 to the 10. This is third rule. Okay. One more rule. See here. A into b raised to m. Means if here is multiplication sign, if here is multiplication, then we can write am multiplied by an. If multiply, then by silly mistake don't say this way. A plus b m is equal to am plus bm. Okay. Don't do this way. This is wrong. If here is plus sign, don't do this way. If here is multiplication, no, then only this rule. A into b raised to m. Answer coming am into bm. See this way. See. A into bm. Am into bm. This way write. Am into bm. This way we should write. Okay. See again. Suppose x into y into z raised to cube. We should write this way. X cube into y cube into z cube. This way write. Okay. Means whatever may be inside, we should do this index of that all. X cube, y cube, z cube. This way write. Okay. See here. Means 3 rule finish. One rule is that what? Am into an is equal to a raised to m plus n. Am divided by an. Answer coming am minus n. Am raised to n. Answer becomes mn. A into b raised to m is equal to am into bm. Okay. This raised to this raised to this way. Okay. See now next rule. Next rule is that a upon b raised to m. Mean there is fraction. Okay. And outside fraction there is index. Then this index will be of both numerator and denominator. Answer coming am upon bm. Okay. A raised to m upon b raised to m. This answer should be am upon bm. Okay. This should be here. Then fifth rule will be what? A upon b raised to m. Answer coming am upon bm. This way. Okay. See here. Means this rule here. Suppose x upon y raised to 7. We can write x7 upon y7 separately. We can do this way. x7 upon y7. This will be next rule. Next there is rule that any number x raised to 0, answer coming 1. Y raised to 0, answer coming 1. X, y, z raised to 0, answer coming 1. Whatever may be raised to 0 coming no, and value of coming 1 only. Whatever may be that, a raised to 0, answer comes 1. Whatever may be that base, if index is 0, answer coming 1, this way. Okay. Next is that, suppose x minus 5. We have to simplify this. Then as there is no denominator is 1. We should make reciprocal of this. The reciprocal make no, 1 becomes upside and x minus become plus downside. If there is minus sign, no, downside become there plus. See here, suppose x raised to minus 8. We can write 1 upon x raised to 8. Minus become downside, no, make reciprocal. If we make reciprocal, then minus index become plus. Then now for this, in short, we can say that a raised to minus r become 1 upon a raised to r. Whatever may be that minus sign, downside become plus sign. Okay. This way there are rule of indices. See here. If base is same, we should do addition. Base is same, we should do subtraction. If there are indices, again indices, do multiplication. If there are many terms, then multiplication give separate. For all that terms, give index same. This way for division also. Anything raised to 0 comes 1 and a minus r become 1 upon ar. Now see here, one example I am giving which will simplify this concept clearly. See here. Simplify. And this way written. See here. X minus 3 into x raised to 5 divided by x raised to minus 6 divided by x 8 divided by x raised to 3 multiplied by x raised to minus 2. This way given. And we have to simplify this. See here. We have to simplify this. Then how to do this here? X minus 3 plus 5. See now here. X minus 3 plus 5. Now here division no. Minus for division and again minus 6. This way should be upside. See here. Minus 3 plus 5 minus 6. Why minus 6? Because here division. Therefore minus coming minus 6 again. Then x 8. Here minus 3 plus minus 2. This way. See here. While doing indices addition, no. It will be addition. 3 plus minus 2. Here minus, no. Division means minus 6. See this concept clearly. See here. X raised to minus 3 plus 5. This minus for indices minus here. If there is division of indices, no. Here will be minus this way. Minus and this minus 6. 8 minus 3. Minus why? Because here is division. Therefore we should do subtraction of indices. Therefore minus. Here plus sign. Therefore we should do addition of indices. Addition, but minus is already there. Therefore this way. Now answer coming x minus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus. While remove the bracket, minus into minus become plus 6. Okay. X 8 minus 3 minus 2. Okay. X equal to minus 3 plus 5 become plus 2. See here. Minus 3 plus 5 become plus 2. This plus 2, this plus 6. Become answer 8 upon 8 minus 3 5. Again 5 minus 2 become 3. Answer become 3. Okay. 8 minus 3 become 5. 5 minus 2 3 becomes. Minus 3 plus 5 2. 2 plus 8 become. Now see here again. X raised to 8. We know that. This plus upside will become the reciprocal become. Then plus become minus. Minus 3. This will answer become x raised to 5. This will be final answer. See here. This way we should do that, learn all the indices rule and be perfect in mathematics.